Yep. So yeah, hi everyone. My name is Mohit, and this is my first YouTube video. I never thought of making a YouTube video, but thanks to Masai School, I am getting to experiment this. If let's say if I get good response on this, I might start vlogging and all. I don't know. Yeah, but for today, my topic, I'm gonna speak about my journey in Masai School for the first 3 weeks. I'm gonna share my experience. So yep, let me just start by giving a short introduction about myself. My name is Mohit Agrawal. I'm from Mumbai. I've done my BE in Computer Engineering from Thakur College, and I'm a 2019 graduate. Yep. So speaking about my Masai journey, if I want to just compare it, I'll say it's exactly like a roller coaster ride. It's fun, it's exciting, and it's at the same time it's a bit dangerous, I'd say, or I'll say it's hard, because you have to get out of your comfort zone. It's like coding aspect is a bit secondary for me. The primary is discipline, because in coding the academics is good, academics is great, the structure in teaching, that structure is main. There are like if they're explaining for loop, double for loop, the examples that are given are very relatable. So the academics is good, the coding part is good. You don't have to worry about that. But the main, for me especially, coding is not the priority. The priority is about discipline. So like the 996, the thing that Masai says, it's not just like a catchphrase or anything. It's actually like a military style coding. You have to sit 996. Sometimes you have to sit like 9-12-6, like 12 a.m. in the night, because you have to sit sometime like that, because you have to complete the task that is given to you. And it's like I'd say, like, if I want to give an example, it's like I'm like sitting right now here, so sitting on this chair also from like 9 to 9, overcoming all these things. It's like getting out of your comfort zone. I had never done these things. So the discipline is a factor in my journey for the first 3 weeks, I'd say. It's also like you have to listen to what they are telling you. If they tell you to, like, for me, like they said, you have to get a permanent desk, you have to sit in that area. So it's like it subconsciously, from your mind, it creates that. If when I'm sitting on the bed, I feel sleepy, but when I'm sitting here in this area, so it's more of like I have to sit, I have to code. So it's just like you have to trust the process. You have to like believe in it, and you have to follow everything what they say. So this has been a bit a tough part for me, but apart from that, I'd say my journey was very fun, very very exciting. Yep. It's like it starts, there are like every end of the week there's evaluation, and the week is like it begins with a scrum. The day, I'd say, it begins with a scrum. Then we have a DSA session, data structures and algorithm, and then we have a skillathon session where the communication skills and all the those concepts are taught, the soft skills that is being taught there. And then we have a coding session in which the coding aspects of web development is taught. And then in the evening there's a stand-up where if you have any doubts you can ask, discuss. So overall, it's my experience till now. It's very fun, it's good, it's exciting, everything is good. And yeah, I'm learning more about being disciplined, and yep, it will definitely help me in my career. So that's pretty much it about my journey, I'd say. About the coding, I think if you don't even have a prior experience, you can still, if you do hard work, you can get what it's been explained, because the structure is I'd say it's very good, and the concept, the examples and all which they give, that's like very amazing. Yeah. And the journey is it's like it's not gonna go straight. It's gonna be like up down up down up down, and it will keep increasing like that. So the hard work is required. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Bye.